Hey everyone, in today's video I'll walk you through what to do if your device gets banned on the Litmatch app. First, try uninstalling the app and installing it again. Sometimes this simple step can fix the issue and remove the restriction. If the ban is still there, head over to the app's help center and submit a report. Make sure you choose the right category so your request gets handled properly. Another option is to use a different device or create a new account, especially if the ban is tied specifically to your current device. Also, avoid using VPNs or modified versions of the app, since those can often lead to bans. And that's it. Now you've got a few ways to handle a Litmatch device ban. If this helped you out, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a new video.